Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by recognizing the vision's element and intended role. That's the core decision that drives every following choice. Once done, pick a weapon and artifact set that amplifies the vision's strengths. Prioritize main stats like elemental damage, ATK%, or energy recharge depending on skill cost. Level talents to reach practical thresholds so abilities feel impactful. Make sure to plan ascensions now so you can use the character in actual rotations without hitting soft caps. Next, assemble a team that complements the vision's element and maximizes reactions. Think of one character as a battery or enabler for sustained bursts. Once configured, design a concise rotation. Opener to apply the element, follow with bursts during windows where reaction damage scales, swap in support to refresh buffs or trigger amplifying reactions. Keep track of particle generation so you can maintain high uptime. If done correctly, each rotation elevates raw damage and reaction consistency. Finally, optimize by refining the most impactful stats. Reroll artifacts and focus talent levels that change playfeel noticeably. Once optimized, track metrics like energy reserves, uptime, and how often reactions occur. This tells you whether adjustments are needed. If your vision underperforms, test simple fixes. Change swap order, check artifact substats, and confirm talent priorities. A single timing tweak or one targeted artifact reroll often restores performance, so diagnose quickly and iterate until the build clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.